Hello everyone, and welcome back to UTUK's channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated evolutions in the open source world, GTK5. Although this new version hasn't been released yet, we already have some insights into what's coming and how it will differ from GTK4. Let's dive in. First of all, one of the most significant changes is that deprecated APIs from GTK4 will be completely removed. So if you're developing with GTK, make sure to update your code and stop using any deprecated functions or symbols. This is the first step to prepare for GTK5. Another major change is the removal of cell renderers. These were originally introduced in GTK2 to handle big data UIs, like tree views, but over time, they became more complicated and added bugs. GTK5 will fully replace cell renderers with more modern alternatives like GTK list view, GTK column view, and GTK grid view. This will make rendering faster and less error-prone. Next, the themed rendering APIs, those old methods from the GTK2 era, like GTK render frame and GTK render check, are going away. These were kept around for applications that needed to draw custom controls, but they slow down GTK's CSS engine. In GTK5, they'll be removed to improve performance. If you need to draw custom elements, it's recommended to use subwidgets or standard CSS properties. Speaking of CSS, non-standard CSS extensions will also be phased out. Things like define color and color functions like lighter and shade will be replaced with more modern, standard CSS equivalents like color mix. This brings GTK's CSS system closer to web standards. The next big change is the replacement of dialog and chooser interfaces. GTK Color Chooser, GTK Font Chooser, and others will be replaced by async APIs like GTK Color Dialog and GTK File Dialog. These new APIs will be easier to use, especially for modern programming languages that support asynchronous operations. Finally, GTK5 will move away from GdkPixbuf in favor of GDK Texture for handling images. This should make image handling faster and more efficient. So that's a quick preview of what's coming in GTK5. It's clear that the focus is on modernizing and simplifying the codebase while improving performance and aligning with current web standards. Thanks for watching.